Hello friends, I'm Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. In this video, we will learn how to make a simple voltage controller. So stay with me and let's begin. First, we need MOSFET transistor K1488 and a 50K variable. Connect them like this. Now we need a capacitor. It will work like a voltage filter. Our controller is ready. Now we need cables for input and output. You can see the connection for input and use both sides of the capacitor for output connection. Our gadget is almost ready. Now we need a heatsink. Attach it with a screw. Now we need a laptop charger. Attach a voltage meter on output. Now you can control voltage with variable.